Hello and greetings on the occasion of World Tourism Day. Are you aware that the world is celebrating its Tourism Day today? Why is World Tourism Day celebrated? Are you aware? Let's check. World Tourism Day is a day celebrated on 27th of September each year since its inception in 1980. It is organized as the anniversary of the adoption of the statutes of the organization in 1970. The day commemorates the awareness of tourism's potential in terms of social, cultural, political, and economic values and its contribution towards achieving the Sustainable Development Goals. How did this day come into force? It was UNWTO's General Assembly which instituted World Tourism Day at its third session held at Spain in September 1979 in order to commence it from 27th of September 1980. Now you must have a question, why is 27th September considered to be an appropriate day? Well, it comes at the end of the high season in the northern hemisphere and at the beginning of the season in the southern hemisphere. Some quick facts about United Nations World Tourism Organization. It is a specialized agency which promotes tourism for the purpose of inclusive growth, rural development, providing employment as it generates 1 in every 10 employment that is created globally, promotes universal accessibility, helps in community development, celebrates cultural diversity, empowers women, promotes sustainability and universal peace, enhances the quality of life, and promotes good guest-host relationship. Currently, Mr. Zurab Pololikashvili is the Secretary General of UNWTO and he is in office since 1st January 2018. He was elected by the 22nd session of UNWTO's General Assembly. And UNWTO was established from 1st November 1975. Now let us have some quick information about the various World Tourism Days, host countries and themes celebrated till date. In the current year, that is 2021, it is being celebrated on Tourism for Inclusive Growth as a theme. The previous year, that is 2020, had the first time when a group of countries celebrated it. The theme was tourism and rural development. 2019, India celebrated with the theme tourism and jobs, a better future for all. And likewise, we have several countries celebrating for sustainable tourism, promotion of universal accessibility, 1 billion tourists, 1 billion opportunities, and so on. These are the details from 2010 till 1996 in reverse chronological order. From 1995 till 1980, the year when we first celebrated the World Tourism Day. Now you do not find host countries because these do not mention any of the host countries in the UNWTO's website. And with this, we end our today's video. Happy traveling. Thank you and good day.